Hi, ako si James Vasquez, Mr. of Pilipinas, Binyan City. Tara, samahan niyo ako mamigay ng mga konting blessing sa ating kababayan sa Binyan. Tara.
Collide. James Vasquez shines. He's a guiding tide with a bag full of hope and a heart so wide for the kids. He's the hero by their side. Hands reaching out, toys in a pile. Laughter erupts, you can see them smile. Shining star of Binyan, you're the one, spreading love, brighter than the sun, giving food, sharing toys, oh it's begun. James Vasquez, you're making life more fun. Through the streets he walks, with a mission clear. Every step he takes, spreading joy and cheer. A plate of kindness, a world to steer. Little hearts beating, the future's here. Hands reaching out, dreams in their eyes, building a tomorrow where hope never dies. Shining star of Binyan, you're the one, spreading love, brighter than the sun, giving food, sharing toys, oh it's begun. James Vasquez, you're making life more fun.
Okay, ayun na nga, natapos na tayo. Salamat sa mga pumunta and sana masaya yung mga napamigyan natin ng ating konting blessings. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.